students, class 9, chapter 5, coordinate geometry. Here we are going to see about the distance between 2 points. First of all, we want to find the distance of the line means, see the distance of the line we want to find means from here the 2 point is given, that is A, B. So we have to subtract the distance, right? The total distance minus the distance of AB. That will be easy to find out, or measuring this we can be able to find the distance of the 2 points. But here the points are given as XY coordinate points. How we are going to find out the means, here the first point we take it as x1 comma y1, and then the second point we take it as x2 and y2. Always x and y as the coordinate points. We know that here we are choosing the 2 points, so for our identification we take it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. We want to find the distance between these 2 points, that is suppose A is the point of x1 comma y1 and B is the point of x2 comma y2. Now we want to find out the distance between the 2 point means we have the formula, that is the distance between the 2 point D we denote as distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Suppose the given point is the single point, that is the total distance is 10 means here we want to find out the distance of B. A to B means the total distance minus AB distance or BC distance. The BC is given as 3 means now we want to find out AB. The total distance of AC is 10. We want to find out AB. So AB is equal to total distance AC minus BC. AC is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. In this method we have find out the same idea here we are going to use, that is the second point is in x-axis x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the formula at units, because we are finding the distance, right? So compulsory we have the units. Or the same formula can be right like this also, that is root of, here we have used x2 minus x1, right? And also same as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, also we have the same value. How and why? Because of the square, because of squaring this term there is no negative value. So in this condition we get the same answer for when we applying these two different method. So the distance between the two point is the formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. Next we see the properties of distance. In properties of distance we take the 3 points, that is A, B, C as the 3 point, A, B, C, where the 3 point. Lastly we have used only 2 points. Distance between formula we are using only the 2 points. Here we have the 3 points A, B, C means the properties are the distance of AB plus distance of BC is greater than distance of AC. That means the ABC points all are lies in a same straight line, that is we call this a collinear points. But here the distance of AB plus distance of BC is greater than the distance of AC, means the position of A, B, C as differ, not in the same order A, B, C. See the position is having the difference. The distance of AB plus the distance of BC, sum of these two distance is greater than the distance of AC. That is the condition. And then same time all the 3 points are lies in the same straight line with different places. By this we cannot make this point as a triangle, because all the points are lies in a same straight line. We call it as a collinear points. See the second property, the distance of AB plus distance of BC is equal to the distance of AC, means the position of the points are like this. All the points are lies in a same straight line, that is the point A, this is the point B, and this is the point C. The distance of AB plus distance of BC is equal to the distance of AC. Sum of these two distance is equal to sum of total distance, that is AC. So all the 3 points are lies in a same straight line, so we call it as a collinear point, must be collinear. If this property is satisfied, means it is a collinear points. In case all the 3 points are in a triangle shape and one of the side has the angle 90 degree, for this, suppose we have the point ABC or the vertices of a right angle triangle. That triangle having angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. See, suppose this is the right angle triangle. This is the position of A and B as the 90 degree. B and then C. The position of B as the 90 degree means sum of square of these two sides is equal to squares of the hypotenuse side. By Pythagoras theorem we know that the distance of AB square plus distance of BC square is equal to the distance of AC square. By using the Pythagoras theorem idea, we can write the formula like this: the distance of AB square and distance of BC square is equal to distance of AC square. The hypotenuse side square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, is a Pythagoras statement, right? So this is the properties of distance for the triangle. Thank you, students.